Welcome to Curious Minds, where we spark curiosity with fun science and tech for all ages. Let's dive into a tech challenge, friends. Today we're exploring why mobile phones freeze and simple DIY steps to fix them. I am your host Ambika, and I'm here to guide you so you can tackle this common issue with confidence. Quick disclaimer: this episode is crafted with artificial intelligence to ensure accuracy, smooth delivery, and a fresh, engaging sound with facts verified from recent sources. Did you know? A 2025 Pew Research survey tells us that 61% of folks 65 and older have smartphones, and many find those freezes frustrating. Since it's a simple fix not everyone knows about, we're here to help you with it today. Everyone would have faced at least one of the painful situations where your phone is slow or doesn't respond. For example, imagine you are showing your grandson's photo to a friend, but the phone takes its own sweet time. Or during an emergency, it is slow and cannot help you call for aid. Last week, my phone froze while paying at the store. So annoying and a bit embarrassing as I was holding the queue. That is why we need to help it recover. Your phone might freeze because of several issues, and it could be that there are too many apps open. It could also be that there isn't enough storage space. Additionally, the system might be outdated and needs updating. These issues are like a busy kitchen, where the cook is overwhelmed with too many orders. Let us fix it together. Here are some 4 easy steps that usually solve the problem. Step 1 is to restart your phone. This is like giving the cook a short break. Take your time and find the power button. On most phones, hold it down for about 5 seconds. I'm going to count, and you can try with me now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then tap restart or reboot. On some newer models, you may need to hold the power and the volume down buttons together. Either way, it's like starting fresh in the morning. Wait a moment as it refreshes. Step 2 is to clear the app named Cache, which spells C-A-C-H-E. Think of this as wiping crumbs off the counter. Go to Settings. It might look a little different depending on your phone model, but the words will be similar. Scroll down. Take your time. Find apps or applications. Usually it could be photos. Tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Cache is just temporary junk files that your phone keeps, and it is safe to clear them. Because of this, you don't need to worry. Your pictures and messages will stay safe. After that, please do a quick check to confirm everything is fine. Step 3 is to free up storage. This is like clearing out the pantry. Go to Settings, then Storage. You will see how much space you have left. Before deleting, ensure your photos are backed up to the cloud, or you could lose them. If it's almost full, delete old files you don't need. Maybe a blurry photo, duplicate sets of photos, or large videos you don't need anymore. A quick tip is to keep about 10 to 15% free. That is like leaving counter space to cook your next meal. Don't worry, if you accidentally delete something, backups usually keep them safe in the cloud. Step 4 is to update your software. This is like giving the cook a brand new recipe book. First, ensure your battery is charged to at least 50% as per manufacturer guidance. Additionally, connect to Wi-Fi, which is often advised for better connectivity, although mobile data can work as well. Go to Settings, then System or Software Update. Tap Check for updates. If there's one available, tap Download and install. It may take a few minutes, so sit back, have a cup of tea, and let your phone refresh itself. Try these steps, and your phone should feel like a calm, organized kitchen again. That is our gentle journey today into why phones freeze and how to fix them with a little DIY magic. So remember to restart the phone, clear the cache, free up storage, and update software. These 4 steps can make a big difference. Do you know someone asking for help twice or thrice? Let's encourage those with knowledge to step forward with kindness, making learning easier for everyone. Technology is like the air we breathe, needed everywhere these days and so integrated in all our lives. And this curiosity drives you to master it, as curiosity is your true superpower. We cannot wait to explore more for every curious mind. Got a topic you love? Robots, stars, tech tips? Share your comments and we'll try to cover them. Subscribe on Anchor, Spotify, or wherever you listen. I am Ambika. Stay curious, stay calm, and I'll talk to you until next time.